Dear madams, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show you the same designs with the three different color options. First one is English parrot green color combinations with a bottle green color combination, temple detailings border, the golden zari views in both side of this border part. Second one is a grey color combination, grey with a dark black color combinations, and third one is a very pretty the light magenta with a dark magenta color combinations. If I talk about this material, then you receive the very pretty light weighted breathable soft semi silk materials with elegant color combinations with a shibori and brasso style prints in entire the body parts with a temple detailing border part. We have more than 4,500 plus designs, different category, affordable price point, and as usual the luxurious feel foil, that's my guarantee. So, must be visit our website www.vastranand.in and you can download our applications in Android and iOS device. Here you can see the first color options with a full look of detailings. Here you can see the contrast color combination, the printed pallu parts with the same contrast color combination, the resin thread tassels part with elegant English lemon green color combination, the body with a shibori batik style prints in entire the body parts with temple detailings in both side of this border and golden zari views. This light weighted breathable soft semi Dola material saree you received at just rupees 750. 750 free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Let me show you the blouse piece. In blouse piece you receive the same contrast color combinations with lemon yellow color combination, the Ikkat booties in entire the blouse piece. Let me show you the second color option. Second one is ash gray with dark carbon black color combination border part. If you like our collection, then like G.I.D.C, share G.I.D.C, subscribe G.I.D.C our YouTube channel, and must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand IND. Daily we are launching 4 to 5 different designs in different elements. Our customer care executive number is 8154000063, Monday to Saturday, morning 10 to evening 6. Here you can see the ash grey color combination body with a dark black color combination, the printed pallu and border part with as usual the golden zari border and temple detailings in both side of this body part. Here you can see the softness of this saree, light weighted breathable soft Dola silk material saree at just rupees 750. We are providing total 6 multi-language support, Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi, total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive number, and our customer care executive number is 8154000063, Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6. And if you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, then video call service is also available. So, must be booked one day before on our customer care executive number 8154000063 and on your suitable time slot for experience the very pretty finest video call services. Here you can see the last but not the least, the my personal favorites with a light magenta to dark magenta color combination border part. Dark magenta color combination border, as usual the dark magenta color combination, the printed pallu parts and body parts you receive the light magenta color combination. If I talk about this material, then you receive the 750 this saree with elegant soft Dola material saree. Let me show you the blouse piece. In blouse piece you receive the same magenta color combination with a light magenta color combination, the Ikkat booties and entire the blouse piece. Vastram Madi, Anandam Medi, buy now at Vastranand.in.